there's a lot of really cool stuff coming up. Right, okay, so a couple of things. First of all, we've hit 2,000 subscribers. Thank you, folks, ever so much for everything. Now, the second thing, as well as I remember, or not, no, a lot of you have asked for subscriber requested videos, so therefore I've got a lot of products coming in. Some of them have come in, some of them are going to be leaking out over the channel in the coming weeks. I've still got a lot which are still outstanding. I've got 3 things, 1 car, 2 quads on back order. I've got 1 helicopter as well on back order. That's apparently going to be here within the next 3 weeks. I've got a lot of stuff coming in, but it's being drip fed for some reason. So I think it's just availability of the products coming in, and then I think it's when they're coming from overseas and they're hitting our shores and then coming over from there. So they are taking quite a while. I have had quite a lot of new stuff come in, but I am waiting on quite a lot of other stuff. So if you don't see your video in this list for the next week or 2 or 3 weeks, don't worry, the products are still coming in. They're just going to take quite a while in order for them to come in. So I just thought I'd let you guys know. So there we are, folks. I hope you all have a great week. This is what we've got coming up. I hope you all enjoy. Thank you ever so much, folks. I hope you all have a great week, and I shall see you very, very shortly. So until then, happy flying.